Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to the We All Juggle Knives channel. Let's talk about being prepared for emergencies. You see here part of my battery stockpile, pretty much mostly rechargeable batteries. Those are my Eneloop Pro AA batteries. Now if you want those battery organizers, I found them on Amazon. They are super useful. If your battery stockpile or your drawer of batteries is a mess, they have those organizers in every size, so I'll include those links. But what good are rechargeable batteries if you can't plug in your battery charger? What if the grid goes down? Well, a lot of people have generators, and that's like step one, right? A generator. But what if the generator runs out of fuel? Or what if you have to change your location in a hurry and you cannot take your generator with you? Or what if you're just out in the field? Let's say you're doing a multi-day hiking and camping, just recreationally. How can you charge your devices? Your hiking and camping flashlight, or a phone just in case of an emergency. Well, if you are off the grid or the grid is off, you can use this. This is my solar charger. It's a PW PAM brand, right? The PW21 solar charger. You can see the stats there. You can pause and see the dimensions. It's around 20 ounces. It's got 3 charging ports, right? 2 USB charging ports and a Type-C charging port. This folds out, so it has far more surface area for the solar panel than most do. It comes with that. It's a drawstring carrying bag, right? It comes with that, and it also comes with 2 carabiners. Now, the purpose of the carabiners, you can put this on the back of your hiking pack, right? They fit in the holes on the corners of this solar panel, so you could actually charge your stuff while you're hiking. And here are some of the instructions. So it's basically just saying to angle it towards the sunlight so that the sunlight is hitting at a 90-degree angle. If it is cloudy, it will not work as well. It's got the 30-day refund. This is on Amazon Prime, so there's no risk, because if for any reason you want to return it, Amazon has the no frills return policy. It does not come with the charging cable, but that's okay, because every single device that needs recharging comes with its own charging cable, right? This thing is waterproof. It's got fast charging, folds up. It's thin, it's light, it's portable. Right, I've been testing this for a month. Yes, who's that guy? This is my cycling pack, and I just want to show right here that this thing easily fits in even a small pack. It's basically the size of a notebook. Remember high school? We all had binders, all right? No computers when I was in school, just notebooks. Yeah, so there it is. All right, like I said, this is waterproof, water resistant. I put it right on the snow because that's where the most sun was hitting at that part of the day when I was testing it out. I put it right on the snow. It's charging an Android tablet there. All right, here it is on the driveway. This is the sunniest part of the driveway, at least at that time of day. You see it folds out. Now it has an indicator. You see that red light there? When the panel is getting enough sun to actually charge something, that indicator light will come on. So there's no guesswork. Like, you don't have to wonder, oh, is it in the right place? It will tell you. Here it is charging my ASP, that is ASP keychain light. So you see that blinking red light on the keychain light? That is the charging indicator. That's indicating that it is getting enough power to recharge that light. That's a pretty cool little light, very patriotic. Yeah, I've done a review of that. Not super bright, but it is super tough. All right, so you can charge all sorts of items with this. I don't know if you can hear the crows in the background. A lot of crows and a lot of wind, but people wanted the background sounds on. Feel like you're there, right? So does the light light up? Yes, it does. It does light up. It's a little hard because I'm holding my camcorder with my dominant hand. Right, here's another flashlight. Now this is a Sunwayman C13R, and you saw again the indicator light. Now if you look under the side switch of this little pocket rocket, you can see a red glow. All right, if you look very carefully, it's a red glow. That is the charging indicator of the flashlight, again indicating it is getting enough power to recharge the battery in this light. All right, so that's a pretty cool light. I did a full review of that light long ago. All right, but you can recharge all sorts of things with this solar panel. I did test it on many batteries. Now that is an Olight universal charging cable. Basically plug it into any USB power source. It can charge almost any type of battery, right? Whether nickel metal hydride or lithium ion. I got it for $10 and it was so worth it. I'll include the link if you want one of those, but I'm just using that universal cable, right? Plugging it into my solar charger to charge that Kodak AA rechargeable battery. Now that battery is actually for digital cameras. I just use it for AA flashlights, right? But I've also tested this on AAA. That's a AAA battery. That's actually the battery that I use in my Olight keychain light, which takes a single AAA. And here I am. That battery charger gives me the voltage reading. So after I topped it off with my solar panel, I just double checked to make sure it was fully charged, and it was. Right, so that's very useful to know. All right, here it is charging an Android tablet. I didn't have an Android tablet, so I had to steal one. No, just kidding. I actually borrowed that from a friend who has an Android tablet. Right, and it's hard to see the display because of it, the sunniest part of the driveway for obvious reasons, but it definitely charged and it definitely did work. Here it is charging that same Sun Wayman flashlight and one of my Claris tactical lights. Right, I've done a review of that. You can charge, 2 flashlights at the same time. And of course, you can charge cell phones with this just the same way I charged that Android tablet. Now here I am hooking up 2 power banks to the solar charger to recharge the power banks. By far the best way to use one of these solar chargers is to team it up with a power bank, right? That way you can freely use your devices during the day without plugging them into this, but you will be recharging your power bank with the solar charger during the day, and then during the night, whichever devices you depleted, you can recharge from the power bank, right? Now you want to make sure that your power bank is fully topped off before you go on a trip. However, that assumes that every single trip will be pre-planned, right? What about spontaneous trips where you just decide that day? Or what about emergencies where you have to grab your pack really quickly and go? Well, if you have the power bank and the solar charger, you're good, because even if you don't keep that power bank topped off to maximum every single day of your life, you'll be able to recharge it in the field with this solar panel. So it's basically part of a system, right? So my final conclusions, this is an awesome product. It was $55 on Amazon. I will include the link. There I'm just showing it is the length and width dimensions roughly of a piece of paper. The thing I like about this, it's just really light and it folds up and it's portable. Now this is on Amazon Prime, so it has all of the benefits, for example, the automatic returns accepted policy. All right, there you see some of my other prepping items. Now this is a prepper-friendly channel, so if you're not a prepper, you're going to be if you continue watching me. I just have to warn you. In the text description box, I will include a long list of very useful items. For example, I will include the best power banks to team up with this, the battery organizer, that Olight universal charging cable. I will include flashlights that use AA batteries, because those are the most commonly stockpiled batteries for preppers. Other items, like you see my giant paracord spool there, I will not have to buy paracord very soon, if ever, right? I saved money by buying in bulk. My channel is all about helping you find some of the best gear and most affordable gear, right? Now, please try to use those links in the text description box. Those do help support the channel, and I really appreciate that. I try to help those who help me. I try to support those who support me, right? That's just the basis of community. There's also going to be a lot of cutting tools. Estwing and K-Bar are favorite companies of mine, so check those out. All right, this has been We All Juggle Knives. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'm out.